it's Brandy with Fluffy Fleece Macrame. Today I'm going to show you how to create the macrame portion of this earring that I've designed. So you're going to take the 10-inch strand of 3mm macrame cord and you're going to use a lark's head to attach the cord onto the metal wire. So you're going to be using a total of 3 cords at this point that you'll be using the lark's head to attach the cord to the metal bar. You need to do this with the lark's head facing out. It's like a forward facing lark's head. That means it has that little front edge that sticks out. So you go through the top there, bring your loop down to the bottom and pull your cords through that little loop. So you have your 3 cords that have been attached to that metal bar with the lark's head. So next we're going to create the vertical double half hitch, and there's just 2 rows of vertical double half hitch, so you'll need a strand that is 10 inches long for each row. So when you're doing a vertical double half hitch, the easiest way to start it is to do this little twisty loop and to bring your cords through. So then you just grab each end and you tighten it down and push it up. And this is a really nice securing knot also for the lark's head. And you can see here why we use the forward facing lark's head, because it actually just adds to that forward knot that shows. So rather than just having 4 knots, it looks like you have little 5 half knots on there, which is nice to use an odd number in any kind of design. So you're going to have this longer working cord and the short working cord that sticks out, but you'll use the long working cord to continue with your knots. So this is double half hitch. So this is the first of the double half hitch. So that's the first half hitch. You're going to bring it behind those cords and through the little loop, and that's your second half hitch. And bring these 2 cords over the top of this cord, which is that working cord, and you'll just loop it around. Bring these nice and tight, and this is your second half of the double half hitch. So you'll do that one more time with another 10-inch strand. So that's your first row. So we're going to attach our second strand and do our second row of vertical double half hitch. So and make your little loop. This is the easiest way to start it. And bring these 2 cords through the loop. Both ends of your working cord and tighten very snug and push it up. And then take this working cord that you just used and bring it behind the 2 filler cords that are next in the row. So you're going to create your little loop over the top, then bring that cord back behind and through the loop. You'll repeat that process, create the little loop over the top, bring it back behind and through the loop. Tighten it up and push it up. And these are your last 2 filler cords and your working cord. needs to come from the back. You're going to create that little loop over the top, back behind, and then back through the loop. Repeat that. Okay, so now that's trimmed up a little bit, so we'll just proceed to brush out these strands. So now that we have it all brushed out, we're going to give it a final trim. I'm going to go kind of straight across the bottom. Keep working on it until you get the length even. Should be about right. And then I work my way on the side, kind of giving it a little bit of a curve. Please feel free to use the comment section if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you'll follow Fluffy Fleece Macrame Tutorials. Please like and subscribe. Select the center logo to subscribe to my channel. Stay right here to watch my woven spiral tassel tutorial.